Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a hot oil treatment on myself. Yes, I am going to treat my scalp because I haven't, paid too much attention to my hair in a while because I've been so busy with work. So I am going to shampoo and condition my hair with this L'Oreal Elvive damage reversing shampoo and conditioner. Not that my hair is damaged, but I love the shampoo and conditioner. And this is the star of the show right here, my very own restoration scalp revitalizer. I love this because it promotes hair growth, it relieves dry and itchy scalp, and it restores your scalp's moisture. So it's about that time where I have to give myself a hot oil treatment. And I love the pointed nozzle. It's really thin. You can go through your locks or your braids or just all through your scalp with precision. It comes with a little foil enclosure so that the oil doesn't leak out during shipping, because I do retail this. And look how the drops just drop out of that small nozzle, and it just gives your hair such a healthy shine, as you can see on my hands. So let's get into it, guys. So again, I am a very busy loctician and makeup artist, hairstylist, and I have a very large clientele. Thank God, all glory to God for that. But with that being said, I have neglected my own hair, and I said, no, it's time to sit down. It's time to do me. So I'm giving myself a hot oil treatment. And giving yourself a hot oil treatment on locks is fine. Wait a minute, right here, guys, I'm just showing you that I'm growing out my side that I had shaved, and I used to get designs in it and everything, but I'm growing that out because I'm going to do a lock transplant. But yeah, I'm starting out with shampooing my hair 2 times before I do the hot oil treatment. But as I was saying before, so many people think that you can't do hot oil treatments on yourself if you have locks, or you can't put conditioner in your hair if you have locks. I've been a loctician for so long, so long, and I've been doing this for many years, and none of my clients have built up. It's a proper way on how you rinse the conditioner when you do conditioner on your locks. But I'm going to show you guys in this video how to properly give yourself a hot oil treatment and use conditioner on your locks without ever getting any buildup. Again, I am just taking my time and I am scratching every area of my hair because I just want it really nice and clean, and I really want to just soak in this time right now that I'm taking for myself, because again, everything is work, my children, and everything else, but now it's me time. So my hair feels really good after shampooing it twice. It smells really good. The L'Oreal Elvive shampoo smells really good. And now I'm just taking my Restoration Scalp Revitalizer and I'm pouring it into a color bowl. And I'm going to heat this up. Give me 1 second. I'm going to heat this up for 15 seconds in a microwave. And now I'm going to start applying it to my scalp. I'm taking this coloring tint brush right here. And you want to place the tint brush, just the tip, not the whole brush, just the tip, in the oil. And that's what you will use, and that's what you will do to apply the oil to your scalp. And it feels so good, so therapeutic when you warm up the oil, and it's helping the oil penetrate the follicles of your scalp so that it can get the necessary moisture it needs from that oil. And you can go around your hairline. It's safe to do that. Now that I have all the oil in, I'm going through and I am massaging my scalp to make sure that oil is deeply massaged into my scalp. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Elvive conditioner, and I'm only going to apply the conditioner to my roots and the new growth only. You do not want to pull the conditioner all the way through your locks. This is where people get it mixed up. They put conditioner all through the locks and all down the locks. You're not supposed to do that. Just focus on your new growth and your scalp area only. This is why, if you can see, I'm just using my fingertips to make sure I get those areas only. Now you want to take a plastic cap and sit under the dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes. This feels so good. It is so important to take time for yourself. So now the dryer time is over. My hair feels really nice. My scalp feels really nice. You can feel the penetration from the oil and all the ingredients that I have in my oil. It feels so good. And my scalp looks good as well. So I'm going to go rinse this out. Now that I rinsed it out really well. I rinsed my hair for about 5 minutes straight. If you do that, you are fine. You will get no buildup in your locks. But guys, my hair feels very soft. I am so glad that I gave my scalp and my roots and my new growth a reset. And yes, I encourage you all to do this if you feel like your hair is dry or you neglected your locks for a minute. Go ahead and do this for yourself. You will reap the benefits in the end. And guys, let me know how your scalp hot oil treatments turn out.